Hi, welcome back to Tapping with Kelly. I am Kelly and I am a certified EFT master practitioner. And in today's video, we're going to be tapping for overwhelmment. I think I just made that word up. It should be a word. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, this is definitely the video for you. And just as usual, I can't possibly tailor my scripts for everybody. So it's generic. If you want one-on-one help, please feel free to reach out to me. My information is in the box below, and I look forward to working with you. All right, so let's just dive right in, okay? So sleight of hand and repeat after me. Even though I'm feeling overwhelmed and that I'm drowning, I choose to honor how I feel in this moment. Even though the pressure is too much to bear, and I feel like the world and life is crashing down on me, and I want to run away at times, I choose to forgive myself for feeling this way. Even though it's too much, and I feel like screaming enough already. That's okay that I feel this way. After all, I'm only human. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and forgive myself for feeling this way. And I choose to give myself a break. Eyebrow. This overwhelm is too much, and my heart can't take anymore. Side of the eye. I'm exhausted, and I feel like running away. Under the eye. Sometimes I feel like snapping and screaming at everyone to leave me the F alone. A little side note, curse if you curse, it helps. Under the nose. Then I feel guilty for wanting to escape, for lashing out and getting so upset and angry. Chin. But I'm only human and I've had enough. Like seriously, I've had enough. And I have every right to feel the way I do. My feelings matter. I matter. But nobody is listening to me. Collarbone. And when I'm overwhelmed, the flood of emotions, it's too much to bear. I can't handle it. And I want to run away and cry. Under the arm. All this overwhelm and pressure and responsibility. It's too much right now. Wrists. I'm so frustrated and lost and overwhelmed. We're going to go to the gamut, thumb with the skin meets the nail. Okay. Take 2 fingers, tap there. I'm overwhelmed. Index finger. I'm so stressed. It's too much. Middle finger, do the same thing like the thumb. All this overwhelm. It's too much. The ring finger. My heart feels like it's being squeezed. And I have trouble breathing at times. Okay, pinky, ring finger. My heart feels like it's being squeezed. And I feel like running away, but I can't. Okay, I want you to go to the gamut in between the ring finger and the pinky, little finger. All this overwhelm and pressure around my heart. Okay, I want you to, you're gonna follow my lead. I want you to keep tapping and keep your head perfectly straight. Close your eyes for me. I want you to take in a deep breath. I want you to count on your head as you take a deep breath in 5 counts. Okay, count on your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to hold your breath, counting in your head. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I want you to exhale. Okay, I want you to open your eyes. And I want you to look at me with your head perfectly straight. I want you, with your eyes only, look down to the floor, hard right. Now look down hard left. Look back at me. You're going to still tap. Picture that clock. Go to the 12 o'clock position. Look at the 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Strain your eyes at 11. It's going to feel uncomfortable. Strain, strain, strain. Go to 12. Go to 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 12. Look back at me. Hum the happy birthday for 1 second. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hum again. Okay, go to the top of the head. I'm so overwhelmed. Eyebrow. I'm tired and I'm overwhelmed. Side of the eye. There's so much to do and I don't even know where to begin. Under the eye. Quite frankly, I'm sick of doing it all. I'm sick of all the responsibility falling on my shoulders. Under the nose. I don't feel like I'm being seen or heard. Chin. I'm so tired and I feel ignored. Collarbone. What if I take a step back and do what I can? Well, underarm. Well, then who will do the work if it's not me? Okay, go to the wrists. But I can't do it all. There's too much. Top of the head. What if I take one task at a time? Eyebrow. But it won't get done if I'm not doing it all. Side of the eye. But I just said I can't do it all. So what if I ask for help? Under the eye. I have asked for help before and nothing changed. Under the nose. Okay, what if I ask different people? Chin. Well, what if they tell me no too, like the others? Collarbone. Well, what if they tell me yes and help? Under the arm. But what if they don't, like the others? Wrists. Well, what if they do help? I won't know unless I try. Top of the head. What if I take things one step at a time? Eyebrow. I want to be able to breathe without feeling like my heart is being squeezed. Side of the eye. I don't want to feel this way anymore. Under the eye. I want to believe that I can get help and that I won't have such crushing pressure on my shoulders. Under the nose. I want my heart to feel light and to be able to go a day without crying. Can I at least have that? Chin. I need to honor myself though. For all I do, all I've done. Collarbone. I want to feel light and free. I deserve that. You do. Under the arm. I'm ready to release this feeling of overwhelm and let in peace. Wrists. I want to feel calm and peaceful. That would be nice for a change. Top of the head. I choose to feel calm. And I do realize that I can't possibly do it all. So I'll prioritize and get things done when I can. Eyebrow. I choose to feel calm. And I choose to release this pain and overwhelm. Side of the eye. I release all the overwhelm and suffering. Under the eye. I release this overwhelm. And I take back my power. I realize that I can't do it all. And you know what? That's okay. Under the nose. I can't do it all. Nor do I want to do it all. Not anymore. I want to enjoy life and feel free. I deserve that. Chin. I welcome in tranquility and peace. Collarbone. I choose to feel at peace. Under the arm. I choose to feel calm and at peace and allow my heart to just relax. Okay, wrists. I choose to feel calm and at peace. And I choose to honor myself for all I've done. Top of the head. I welcome all this peace and tranquility into my life. I allow it to come into my life. And I make a pledge to myself to do what I can. And that's okay. I want you to press down just gently. I want you to take in a deep breath for me, okay? 5 counts. Okay, now I want you to hold that breath. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want you to exhale. Exhale it all. Empty, empty, empty. Keep exhaling. And I'm going to count to 12, okay? Just keep exhaling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Slowly take in a breath. And then exhale again. Okay, good job. I hope you feel better. Just keep listening to it. Do a few more rounds of the same thing. And as always, if something pops into your head, a different kind of phrase, use that. Curse, raise your voice if you can. All of that helps release. If you're crying, that's actually good because you are opening up your energy and you're releasing. All that's good. If you yawned, excellent. That's a sign that your energy is shifting. And so I hope that helped, and I will see you soon. Bye.